Soccer-inspired style continues to dominate Nike's future, and the brand is proving it with non-stop releases tied to the sports culture. From major collabs like the Kylian Mbappé Air Max Plus 7 to turning classic silhouettes into true performance models, Nike is clearly pushing soccer aesthetics deeper into its global lineup. That momentum grows even stronger with the unexpected addition of Palace, whose first Nike collaboration boldly revived the iconic Total 90 line, once worn by legends like Wayne Rooney. Now, Nike drops another standout lifestyle pair, the Nike Total 93 Olive Aura. This edition features a snakeskin-inspired upper, earthy olive tones, and a durable black sole built for cold weather style. It's a modern twist on a fan-favorite silhouette that refuses to fade away. Already loaded on SNKRS, the Nike Total 93 Olive Aura officially releases on December 9, priced at $125 in women's sizing.